Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Kia Optima key fob. It's a simple process that you can do at home with just a few basic tools. First, gather your supplies: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 coin cell battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the task much easier. Let's get started and have your key fob working like new in no time. Now, let's begin by separating the key fob. Look for the small release button located on the side of your Kia Optima key fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key, then slide it out completely. Once the emergency key is removed, you'll see a small notch or slot inside where the key was. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch to gently pry the two halves apart. With the key fob halves separated, you'll now see the old battery. It's typically a CR 2032 coin cell battery. Gently use your small flathead screwdriver to pry the old battery out of its compartment. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting which side was facing up. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, making sure all the buttons and components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide your emergency key back into its slot. Your Kia Optima key fob should now be fully functional. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's Black Ice, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.